You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid.
Hello, I'm back and I've changed my hair colour. I know it's been quite a few weeks since I've filmed. I have filmed, but I just haven't edited the vlogs that I've filmed and posted them, just because it hasn't really felt right, and I'm finally in the headspace where it's feeling right. So I thought, Imogen, you're having a productive day, some people might find this motivating, so why don't you just film it? Today I am doing a big clean and tidy. Put you there. I did a big clean and tidy. I've started on the kitchen. I need to do the bedroom. Liam's going to do downstairs. And then the office needs doing at some point as well. I don't want to overwhelm myself. But I'm just going to get started on everything. And then another big thing that I really want to do is sort out the wardrobes in our bedroom. Because we've got this ottoman at the end of our bed. And it's basically just like a crap drawer. We just pile whatever doesn't have a home goes in there. So I need to sort through all that, and I've actually got some of these boxes that I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna put things like jersey, gym stuff kind of in there, and I feel like that will keep the ottoman a lot more organized. I have got some other little storage boxes as well to put some other bits in. Because I just need a clean and fresh and organised space to work from. I feel like that is gonna make me way more motivated and bothered to film. Because I've got loads of ideas that I want to actually put into play, but when you've got a messy workspace, it just doesn't really work, does it? So I'm gonna do that. I've just cleaned the cooker, just done the kitchen, most of the kitchen. I need to take the bins out. I need to organise this table as well. This is the thing, like, because this table is so big, we end up using it for storage, which I hate because it's my granddad's table, who's sadly not with us anymore, and it's my prized possession because it just means a lot to me. This washing needs to go away as well. Does anyone have like a space where they dry washing and it literally is just constantly full of clothes? Because that is what is going on over here, and it just does my head in. This is Franklin, one of our newest additions. How cute is this pot, by the way? It's got a little bit of gold at the bottom. And also, another thing I'm going to tell you, this needs sorting out. So these are fairy lights. I was originally going to hook them all along here, so they were going to hang down, but I just think that a green screen just ruins the vibe. So I think I'm going to put them in our bedroom instead, but I'm not actually sure where, because we've got like, I'm not going to show you our bedroom because it's a mess. I just need to, okay, I'll show you. I basically need to make the bed. I need to change the bed. I'm thinking maybe the fairy lights would look really cute behind there, because then usually I like take pictures in front of my bed, so that could be a good option. Otherwise we've got this wall, but then I don't really take photos and well, I can't really film in front of that. It would be better if I did it on this wall, because then I can film on my bed. That would make more sense. And this is the wardrobe. One of the doors hanging off. Okay, just an update. Started in the bathroom, cleaned the bath. I need to get rid of all of this crap. Proper expose myself right now, aren't I? Still doing the bathroom. I didn't actually mention in this vlog. Wow, I'm looking quite tanned, aren't I? I mean, it's freckles, Imogen, calm down. Sidetrack. We're back in the room. I wanted to talk to you about intermittent fasting, because me and Liam have started intermittent fasting today. We did it a couple of years ago. It's a completely individual thing, intermittent fasting. It's very individual. It works for some people, it doesn't work for others. The one that we do, or we've done in the past, is a 16-hour fast, and then 8-hour feeding window, but because today is our first day, we want to minimize the amount of time tonight that we're going to be fasting, because I find it 10 times easier to fast in the morning than I do the evening. I'm guessing that's for quite a few people. You get to a point where you're watching TV and you just want some snacks and things like that. That's kind of my vibe. So what we've decided on is eating from 1 p.m. till 8 p.m. tonight, and then we'll start our fast 8 p.m. until the following day, and then from then I think we might be doing it until 12, so 12 till 8 will be our feeding window. Yeah, so what my top tips for when you're fasting: drink lemon water. Haven't got any proper lemon, so I've just used this, which is cheating, but I don't have any lemons, I only have that. And black coffee. Black coffee is really good. And make sure you're drinking plenty of water. And what's really important when you're fasting is to make sure you're really eating well in your feeding hours, so you're getting all of the right nutrients, because that's also can negatively impact you if you're not doing it correctly. So it's important, if you are going to think about doing it, it's important to do a lot of research beforehand. Read up. There's plenty of information online about intermittent fasting. There's loads of books on it and stuff, so if you are thinking of doing it, definitely research. But we've found that kind of works for us when we're kind of stuck in a rut in terms of our food and we just want like a bit of a kickstart. There's tons of benefits for it. I don't want to like preach about it because it's definitely not for everyone. And if you've got any kind of irregular eating disorders or anything like that, definitely don't do it. Yeah, that's kind of my advice. So I need to finish off doing the bathroom, and then we're gonna get making lunch, which is gonna be something exciting, so stay tuned. So to break our fast, we're gonna do like a chickpea tuna sandwich. Might do it toasted. But what you're gonna need if you ever want to make this, I mean there's loads of recipes online, but basically chickpeas. I'm gonna put some pepper in because I used to like tuna with a bit of crunchy pepper in. Red onion, some vegan mayo, capers for taste, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, garlic, black pepper, a little bit of paprika. I think that's it. I'll come back to you when this is done. Ooh. Okay, I'm just watching Sophia and Chinzia's vlogs. But I forgot to say, need to mash up the chickpeas. I don't know whether that's obvious or not. Okay, what I want to just update you on, I've added capers. I've obviously mixed everything all together. I've added apple cider vinegar, some black pepper, some dill, some paprika, a little bit more olive oil, the mayo and everything. And now I think it's ready. Vinegar really gives it that tuna, you know, because you put vinegar with tuna. I mean, obviously this doesn't taste like a tuna, but it's a good substitute. And I think we're going to make a triple sandwich, so that's next. Okay, so that's the triple sandwich. One of the layers has got cheese on it with the chickpea stuff, and then the other layer's got salad on it with the chickpea stuff. Yummy! Let's go and eat. Okay, I may as well tell you the macros for the food as well, if it focuses. Okay, this is not working, is it? Focus, come on. Okay, so 693 calories, so it's a big hefty meal, but we're only aiming to eat 2 meals and some snacks today, so that takes up quite a big chunk of my calories and still leaves me quite a bit for later. We've got 88 grams of carbs, 27 grams of fat and 24 grams of protein, which is pretty good. Whoever says vegans don't get enough protein, there's my point. And that's a sandwich. Okay, let's go and eat. Camera. Absolute. So what do you think?
Amazing.
Really?
It's really nice, yeah.
Okay.
Might be because I've just been fasting.
Yeah. Look at that. Now that is what you call a sandwich. Let's try it. It's delicious. Beautiful and also healthy. I'll see you later. Still watching Sophia and Cinzia. I just love their vlogs at the moment. And do you know what? Also, I'm really wanting to do some tie-dye because Cinzia did it in a vlog, and now she's making me want to update some of my old jumpers. Maybe that's for another day because I've just got too much on my plate right now. But I feel like I'm procrastinating. I don't want to go into the bedroom and do the bedroom because it's probably the ugliest room. So I'm gonna have a cup of tea instead. So let's make a cup of tea. That sandwich was delicious. I feel really satisfied now. Probably gonna have a banana in a bit. I'll spread it out so I'm not gonna feel like empty later. But yeah, so let's get back to the beast. I really don't want else. Okay, I've made a start. So what I'm gonna do is put all my gym leggings in this one. And then I'm gonna probably use this one for something else. Maybe gym shorts? I don't know yet. But I'm gonna carry on making a start. This is what the situation's. Oh, it's just horrific. It's horrible. There's just boxes of clothes and just, oh, it's just not very good. And then this, I'm pretty sure this will fit in here. Maybe this is not the best use of space, but I kind of want my gym stuff in this box. So let's just get on with that. Okay, we're making progress. The wash bin's gone down. Done all the mirrors. Does anyone else do this where they clear everything around their room and then somehow it all compiles on the bed? Basically, I need to put a new sheet on the bed, sort the whole bed out because that's still a mess, and hoover this disgusting floor. And then I'm gonna put some fairy lights up there. Let's go.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right.
Okay, so I finished putting the fairy lights up. I'm gonna show Liam, not that he cares. Come in.
I feel like I'm changing, right? Nice hello smiler. So I'm gonna come up.
Yeah, you can peek.
Whoa!
Is that a fake reaction?
No, it looks cool.
It looks cute, doesn't it?
Looks good, yeah.
It makes it look a little bit brighter.
Yeah, it definitely makes it look
It's
better.
really difficult to get them really even though.
Yeah, you don't want too even. You want it to look clinical.
But do you know what? It actually looks good on film. Like I've just gone to take a picture with that behind
Oh,
me.
as a backdrop?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's quite nice, isn't it? Just makes the
definitely,
bedroom
yeah.
looks a
What's
little
that
bit
look lighter?
better.
Ooh,
You're
you can really
cute.
dance.
And I put that little thing up there instead of in the office.
What, that dreadlock thing? Mop. It looks like a mop.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, so bedroom is almost complete. I sacked off the wardrobe because on all honesty, I was getting to the point where I was losing the will to live with it. And I thought, oh, I'll let Imogen just do something fun for a bit, put some fairy lights up. I know it's not really what's needed, but it gives some extra light in here as well. I like it. And when I'm filming this, so this is basically what I meant earlier. This is like a good filming backdrop now. Yay! Because like that's like out of, what's the word? Not in focus. That's all like soft focus, and then I'm in focus. I feel like that's like quite a nice YouTube backdrop. So I'm quite happy with that. And to be honest, like this bedroom is like my least favourite room in the house in terms of like decor, and just because it's actually very dark. Like if you turn all the lights off, obviously this is auto light. Like you can see it's absolutely bright sunshine and it's so dark in this room. It's because that's the only window in this room. That's the only window in this room. So that's why it's not my favourite room, because there's not a lot of light in here at all. But we wanted the other room to be the office because it's really bright, because there's 2 windows in there. So it's better to work from in there. So yeah, I just wanted to jazz up this room because I was, in all honesty, I was just getting sick of it. And I just wanted to do something. It's not finished completely. There's still this pile of clothes and I still need to hoover up. But we're getting there. There's progress.
Small, sleeping body.
Just finishing listening to my book on Audible, The Family Upstairs. It's good so far. I'm getting into it. I'm on the 2nd chapter. And it's really weird because I've only ever listened to books on Audible, like self-help non-fiction. So I've never listened to fictional books on there. So it's a bit strange, like listening to someone read the story. But it's good. I've just made dinner. We need to... What time is it? 20 past 4. 20 past 6, sorry. I just made... I suppose it's like... it's almost like a sausage casserole, because there's sausage in there, mushroom, carrots, mashed potato on top, and then I sprinkled a little bit of cheese on. I can't wait. And then I've just got a little bit of salad because we haven't really got anything to go with it. And I know this is quite a big portion anyway, so hopefully it fills us both up. And that's really my day. Finished. I've still got bits to do around the house. I've still got to do a couple of loads of washing and stuff, and I've got to do my office, our office. I've got to finish off doing the office. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to be uploading a lot more workout content this week. I think I'm going to do like a weighted HIIT workout, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And I'm probably going to do a what I eat in a day as well, so keep your eyes peeled for that too. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!